No matter what I want, it's a matter of what you want. You want some advice?
Advice. Alright. We here, why the f not? I'm all in.
Let's go. Eyes up. Voice get a little deeper. Let's go, I gotta reach the people.
This is not cupcakes. This is
Is
the
this
voice
a
of
battle
reason.
right now?
Fell like a red-headed stepchild, cried and wept loud. Surprised and left out, my path was etched out. Baby of 4 and BK making straight A's. Just a nerd, kick from the curb. Call me Sensei, BMX, Master X Games, Subways and Heroes. From the bodega, crack spout valves and weirdos. Zigzag antennas, Nissan Centrals or Martins. Autobots and D-sets when I step, that's more intense. Content with content of being an astronaut. Astral plane to the after spot. My brain, it won't stop. Vagabond, but upper echelon. My storm came and went. Father and drugs was all loving apartments. 201 Linden threw up and missed what I'm sending. From grace to grateful, my spirit transcending. I seen top 10 in every aspect I've been. We copy things to USD, francs to yens. No thanks to them, but they made me what I am. Took it on the chin and ready to do it again.
Came from a line of alcoholics, ready to spend. Used to spend my last baby on a bottle of gin. Is that the way I'm going out? Nah, I broke that curse. Downhill spiral, it couldn't get much worse. Family first, how I'm raised, so we never be stuck. Tell my kids that when you fall, I get your ass back up. Some of my friends smoking crack and I was heartbroken. Couldn't swing the same route, cause I got high hopes. No more dollar bills crushed up, thinking I'm Scarface. I beat the devil, bro, it's like I'm running a car race. Had to clear my soul and get right for my kids. Get on my knees and tell the Lord, forgive me for sins. They used to talk about my family, how they drink too much. I guess they left me here so I can get rid of this crush. Yeah, for real.